Hello guys. So this is the third and the final video that I'm making for the Byju's Business Development Associate interview process. तो दिस इज़ फॉर ऑल दोज कैंडिडेट्स जिनका पहला दो राउंड क्लियर हो चुका है, जिनका टेलीफोनिक एचआर क्लियर हो चुका है, जिनका जूम राउंड क्लियर हो चुका है. दिस इज़ फॉर देम एंड फॉर अदर्स जिन्होंने अभी अप्लाई किया हुआ है. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट देम टू काइंडली चेक द फर्स्ट टू वीडियोज़. उससे आपका पहला टेलीफोनिक एचआर राउंड में आपको ईजी हो जाएगा एंड देन जूम राउंड में आपका ईजी हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द थर्ड इंटरव्यू राउंड. So this round is actually no different than the first two ones. It's somewhat similar, completely in line with the first two interviews, but it gets different only because I would rather say it gets a bit difficult when it comes to the scenario-based questions. Again, it depends. For all those who are coming from technical backgrounds, उनके लिए ये थोड़ा difficult होता है because you need to give very convincing answers. You need to justify very, very well that why are you trying to switch from your technical background to the sales background. I'll tell you about myself. I'll tell you my personal experience. I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. So, what they did is he just asked me, he just started the conversation with, okay, Anzar, just tell me what was the objective of doing BTech in mechanical engineering back then. So, he just wants to check कि आपने उस वक्त जो engineering की थी, क्या आप में कोई पैशन था उस वक्त वो इंजीनियरिंग करने का, और अगर वो पैशन था इंजीनियरिंग करने का, क्या आपने वो पैशन फॉलो किया या नहीं. So you have to be very ready. You have to be ready with the convincing answers ki, okay, I have done my engineering and then I feel that I could do well. I feel that I could operate well in the sales domain. So I'll tell you about myself. Mera case was a bit difficult because apart from the BTech degree in mechanical engineering, I also had a MTech degree in AI. So he just wanted to check ki I have spent 6 years in my engineering, 4 years in my BTech and 2 years in my MTech. So he told me ki you have spent 6 years in engineering and then you are thinking to switch to sales. Why? Please justify. So that is something that all of you, whoever is coming from technical background, expect this type of question. Expect कि वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि okay, you are an engineer, you have done a BTech in mechanical, in civil, in computer science, then why are you coming in sales? So the answers could be there is no definite answer कि आप वो आंसर लेके चले जाएंगे और आप वो आंसर वहाँ पे बोल देंगे. So just it's a spontaneous thing. So whatever you feel, जो आपको अंदर से आवाज़ आ रही है, just speak about it. Because I'll tell you my personal experience when they told me कि when he asked me कि okay, why do you want to join sales? So I told him that when I did my MTech, when I did my internship, I did my internship with Mahindra and Mahindra. So I was working with the insights and analytics team, and we were working very closely with sales and business development people. So I attended a lot of calls with them, I attended a lot of meetings, and I understood, I realized that I could do very, very well in this domain. So you could also pitch, you could also tell them that why do you feel that you could do well in sales. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इंजीनियरिंग वाले लोग सेल्स नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो बिकॉज द गाय हु वाज द मैनेजर हु वाज टेकिंग माय इंटरव्यू वाज हिमसेल्फ अ बीटेक पास आउट. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ़ यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड यू कैन नॉट डू सेल्स. यू कैन डू वेरी वेल इन सेल्स डोमेन. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव स्विच देयर करियर्स हु आर वर्किंग who switch to sales and they are doing very, very well. So the primary motive, the basic thing that they are checking is that ki are you taking this job passionately, या आप ऐसे ही ले रहे हो just because there is nothing and you're taking this job. That's it. So, okay, so this is it, and I repeat that having 6 years in technical domain, so this was a bit difficult for me. Not, I would not say difficult, but थोड़ा सा extend हो गया, थोड़ा लंबा खिंचा है, because I had to convince him कि yes, I have a BTech, I have a MTech, but still I am very much interested in sales. And I think I could do good in sales because I feel ki I could. It's not that I'm completely switching from technical to sales. It's like that I leverage my technical knowledge, my technical expertise to enhance my sales performance. So there you can just answer. It's a very impromptu thing. It's very spontaneous. कुछ you don't have to prepare anything, so you'll do good. तो for all those जिनका BBA है, जो मैनेजमेंट से आ रहे हैं, जिनका MBA है, so this thing won't be there, this component won't be there, so it's going to be a bit smoother for you guys. Okay, so that's all they'll first ask you because they just want to know you better. They just want to know कि how passionate are you इस job के लिए. Okay, then another thing they'll ask is, here the things will go a bit different and a bit difficult because they'll just check your sales skill. And how will they do that? They'll ask you to sell anything. It could be a pen, it could be a bottle. For me, it was a paper. He told me, okay, Anzar, just sell me a blank paper. So at that moment of time, I felt कि I won't be able to answer it, but ऐसा नहीं होता है because the approach is same. So you don't have to worry about it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 2 questions prepare करके जा रहे हो कि sell me this pen, you will prepare it. You will prepare sell me a blank paper, तो you will prepare. So ऐसा नहीं है कि there's no assurance कि they'll ask you these 2 questions. They'll ask you anything, right? So but the approach is same. You need to know the approach. The approach is you just have to create a need. That's what I did. जब उसने मेरे को कहा कि प्लीज सेल मी दिस ब्लैंक पेपर, सो व्हाट आई थॉट इज दैट आई कैन क्रिएट अ नीड एंड आई क्रिएट सच अ नीड कि इसको ये लेना ही लेना है फिर. So that's what you can do if they ask you to sell anything. And rather than just explaining the features, for example, he says you sell me this pen or sell me this paper. So rather than just shooting the features of that particular product, it's better for you to understand his needs. You could ask him questions. You could ask him, okay, sir, which paper do you use right now? How frequently do you use pen and paper? So this is just to this conversation will just give you some time, and it will give you an idea कि उसकी needs क्या है इस product के related. And once you understand his needs, you can pitch your product in a very very better way. You can pitch your product in a way that satisfies his needs, and he is definitely going to take it. Again, जब उसने मेरे को ये चीज़ कही, एक थोड़ा सा एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन जहाँ पे मैं जो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगा मेरे को, दैट वाज कि व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड द कॉल ही सेड हेलो हेलो अंजर, एंड आई सेड कि आई एम फ्रॉम अंजर पेपर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. सो ही आस्क्ड मी, ओके अंजर, आपने मेरा नंबर कहाँ से लाया? So this is something you have to be very you have to be ready with your answer. You have to be very sharp because this question actually makes sense. आपने उसका नंबर कहाँ से लाया? So I asked him that I am speaking from Anzar Paper Private Limited, and I found that you were checking out my website yesterday, and you were checking out the papers, A3 size, A4 size papers. So to which he categorically said कि no, ऐसा नहीं है. I was not checking your website, and he dropped the phone. So this is actually a problem. This is a problem of cold lead. This is said to be a cold lead wherein a person does not have any idea about your product. Luckily, Byju's की केस में ऐसा नहीं है. Everyone knows Byju's. Primarily because they do well in marketing. They शाहरुख खान उनका प्रमोशन करता है, and then they are now IPL में उनका बहुत बड़ा रोल है. So and the very good thing is that Byju's is actually a good product. So if you check Byju's, I would suggest you to please download the Byju's app and understand it. Just check out उनका जो basic courses है. Check out UPSC के courses. So it's actually a good product. You don't have to lie about it. But again, so there won't be a problem of cold lead probably. So once you call anyone and you say, we are speaking from Byju's, so 90% chance है कि उसने Byju's का नाम पहले सुना होगा, and उसने Byju's ऐप डाउनलोड की होगी, तब जाके आपका उसका नंबर आपके पास आ जाता है. So this is most of the case में ऐसा होगा. ठीक है. तो he'll ask you about it. So actually what I found in this third round of interview is that they mainly focus on your sales skill. They ask you questions, they give you scenarios, they make scenarios a bit difficult by asking you further questions. They make it difficult. They just want to check कि आप कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप हार मान लेते हो, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में जिस एंथुसियाज्म से आपने सेल्स पिच की थी, कहीं वो ड्रॉप तो नहीं हो गई. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट. यू हैव टू मोटिवेट देम, विद एवरी क्वेश्चन दे आस्क. आपका मोरल डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी रेडी विद योर आंसर्स, एंड देयर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग आंसर. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप ऐसा नहीं सोचना कि ओ शिट मैंने सही जवाब दिया या नहीं दिया. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. हर इंसान का अपना अपना तरीका है टू सेल हिज प्रोडक्ट. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. जस्ट बी वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड नो द प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है. एंड देन ही आस्क्ड मी, ओके, आप कितना टाइम काम करना पसंद करते हो, और हाउ लॉन्ग कैन यू वर्क इन अ डे. So again, he smiled and he told me कि please be honest because this video is being recorded. So again, ऐसा नहीं है, please don't worry. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर आप कुछ कम टाइम बोलते हो they won't take you. No. So it's like if you are very good in sales, if your interview is very good, then ऐसा नहीं है कि if you'll say 9 hours and they'll reject you. No. If your interview is very good, if your sales skill is very good, there is no reason that they'll reject you. But they just be honest with it. It depends. Like कोई इंसान 12 घंटे काम कर सकता है, कोई 13 घंटे काम कर सकता है, कोई 10 घंटे काम कर सकता है. Just be honest with it. Be honest. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There is no threshold. There is no threshold कि below which you will say and you will be rejected. No. Please remember that. So if you feel that you can work well with full efficiency till 10 hours, just say I can work for 10 hours per day. I can work beyond that also, but I think कि 10 hours के लिए मैं full passionately काम कर सकता हूँ. So just be honest with it. Just be with the flow, right? Go with the flow. And then they'll ask you location again. आपने किस location के लिए apply किया है? Just be honest with it. जिस location के लिए आपने apply किया है, and be open to relocation. वो पूछेंगे कि are you open to relocate? Just be open to relocation. And this is it. Honestly, this is it. And अभी आपको समझ आ गया होगा अगर आपने मेरे तीनों इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के जो मैंने वीडियो बनाए हैं, अगर आपने वो देखे होंगे. देयर इज़ नथिंग डिफरेंट. हर एक राउंड में सेम पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और सेम चीज़ चेक की जाती है कि कितना पैशनेट हो आप इस जॉब को रिलेटेड, क्यों आप सेल्स में आना चाहते हो, क्या आप सेल्स में अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाओगे. दे विल टेस्ट यू. सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो तीनों राउंड्स देयर इज नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट. The ultimate suggestion that I could give to you guys is just be very very confident. ठीक है. जो चीज़ भी कर रहे हो, जैसे भी आप चीज़ बेच रहे हो, जस्ट क्रिएट अ नीड. रिमेंबर, क्रिएट अ नीड एंड उस नीड को लेके अपना प्रोडक्ट पिच करो, बट बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट. ठीक है. सो दिस इज इट. इतना ही होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग दे विल आस्क यू इज दैट एट द एंड दे विल आस्क यू, डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस? सो प्लीज आस्क इट. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, please ask it. Like if you have any questions, you can tell them, you can ask him that sir, I just want to know more about the job description, I just want to know more about my responsibilities. So whatever you have, whatever question you have, just engage with the recruiter, just ask him questions. So it is good. It leaves a good impression. तो नहीं पूछोगे वो भी ठीक है, पूछते हो, it is an added advantage. So I think, or once you are done with this interview, within 3 days, within 4 days आपका रिजल्ट आ जाता है. मेरा रिजल्ट 2 दिन के बाद आया था. दे सेंट मी एन SMS, दे मेल यू. तो within 2 days you will be able to get your results. So okay, and in case you have any doubts, just comment, and I'll personally try to reach to each one of you. And in case you want कि हम एक separate सा वीडियो बना दें इस चीज़ के रिलेटेड कि how to sell anything, we can do that. मैं इस वीडियो में वो नहीं डाल दिया उतना, but if you want, we can make a separate video on how to sell anything, how to create a need, how to pitch your product as per that need. We can make a separate video on that. It's okay if you have any questions. You can feel free to post a comment. So best of luck for this round. And yes, it's going to be a very good journey for you. Don't worry, nervous nahi hona, just be confident. Best of luck. Thank you.